I used to think breakout trading was the easiest way to make money in Forex. Price breaks a level, you enter, and you ride the move. Simple. But I end up losing more trades with breakout than almost anything else. I would see price break support, enter straight away, and the market would reverse back against me over and over again. After years of trading, I finally understand something important. The problem was not breakout trading. In this video, I show you exactly how I filter breakouts before I ever take a trade. Let me show you. Here the market is moving up and approaching this resistance level. Many traders are watching this level. They expect a breakout. Price pushes slightly above resistance. Traders enter immediately. But look closely. It only went above for a moment, then closed back below the level. That's the first warning. There is no strong close above resistance. Then what happens? Price drops back inside the range and continue lower. Everyone who enters gets stopped out. This is a fake breakout. Not because breakout trading is bad, but because there was no confirmation. Now let's compare it with a real breakout. Price again approaches resistance, but this time the move is different. A strong candle breaks above the level and closed clearly above it. Not a weak, a full close. You can also see the momentum is strong. The market is not slowly pushing, it is moving with power. This already looks much stronger, but I still do not enter here. I wait for confirmation. First filter is simple. Did the candle close beyond the level? Not a weak, a real close. If price only wicks above resistance and close back below it, I ignore it. That's not a breakout, that's a trap. A real breakout must close above resistance or below support. If it doesn't close properly, I don't trade it. Second filter is momentum. A real breakout should look strong. If price slowly moves above the level with weak candles, I stay out. That usually means no real buyers or sellers behind the move. But if I see one strong impulsive candle breaking the level, that tells me something different. It tells me the market actually has strength. If it's a weak breakout, I avoid it. If it's strong, I watch it closely. This is the step most traders skip. After a breakout, I wait. If price breaks a level and comes back to retest it, that's important. Why? Because the broken level often flips. All the resistance becomes support. If price respects that level on the retest, that confirms the breakout is real. If there is no retest, I don't rush in. I wait for another opportunity. Let's see how this trade plays out. My entry is here, my stop loss below the recent swing low, and my take profit is aiming for 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. Let's see how this trade plays out. As you can see, the price hits the take profit. Here is another example. Market is moving down. Price reaches strong support level. Many traders expect a bounce, then a strong candle breaks support and close below it. First filter confirmed, momentum is strong, so the second filter is confirmed also. Now I wait for retest. As you can see, price comes back to the broken support level, price rejected and continue lower. Third filter confirmed. I entered sell trade. Stop loss above the retest and my target at next support level. As you can see, price continue down and hits the target. Same rules, same process, just opposite direction. Before any breakout trade, I check only three things. First, did candle close beyond level? Second, is there strong momentum behind the break? Third, did price retest the level and hold? If even one is missing, I skip the trade. There will always be another setup. So breakout trading is not about catching every move, it's about avoiding the bad ones. Once you learn how to filter real breakouts from fake ones, your trading becomes much more consistent. Learning strategy is one thing, applying it consistently is another. If you want access to my live trading signals, exclusive trading view indicators, and same analysis I use before entering every trade, check out the link in the description. Thanks for watching and I see you in the next video.